Hi, I'm Brandon from Bright Arrows Ranch, and today is part 4 of what we do on our farm. One of the things we do on our farm is we breed rabbits. These are a New Zealand and Holland Lop cross, and we breed them for pets to sell as pets, but we also can use them for meat production. We use a breeding trio, so that is one buck and two does. And like I said, these are primarily a product that we produce to sell. We sell them as pets, especially around Easter and things like that. We've got babies right now. But when we get a surplus, then we cull them and we put them in the freezer. That basically just means we process them out. Very hardy, very good meat source, fast reproducing, and so it's a good substitute for chicken in your diet. I'm Brandon. Thanks for watching.